So confused. What was Kanna gonna do to me earlier? Dragon
Trying to
style.
find where your head is, but I'm losing myself in the process. You're bad for my health. All the good nights, all the hidden goodbyes in disguise. I never know, you come see me only when I ask first. When you kiss me, do you wish it were her? The best of being the worst, but fuck's sake, I'm already yours.
Hello guys. So that's what we are going to make. I didn't make it too complex. This is very basic and easy. See on my timeline, I have set up video clips according to the music beats. And editing is not done yet. Let me play quickly, so you can see how it looks without the edit.
Trying to find where your head is, but I'm losing myself in the process. You're bad for my health. All the
To see the music beats, open the audio file until you see this waveform. These little square type waves you see are kick drums. I'm not sure if you can see them, but just match your clips to the beats. Then put your clips where the kick drum hits. Also cut the clips if needed. Then select a video clip, right click and pre-compose. Make sure your settings match mine. Give it a simple name and hit OK. Now select another video clip, right click and pre-compose. Do the same for all clips. Now pay attention to my steps. Open scale and add keyframes. We have this simple movement. Select both keyframes, right click and easy ease them. While both keyframes selected, go to the graph editor. Here make sure value graph is selected. Your graph and my graph should look the same. Make something like this. This graph shape means it'll appear fast initially and slowly move to its final state. Using graph editor is fun, but you have to understand how it works. Practice a lot. To learn about graph editor, head back to the timeline. Open position, right click and choose separate dimensions. Now we can move independently along X and Y axis without messing with in-betweens. I'll make keyframes for Y position. Push it backward. Now change the value until the image goes out of the screen. Select both keyframes and easy ease them. Go to the graph editor. Select Y position. Now make something like this. It means it'll start slow initially and move super fast as it reaches its final state. Open position of second video. Right click and separate dimensions. Add a keyframe for Y position. Move it forward. Now change the value until the image is out of the screen, but this time we will push it upwards. Easy ease both of them. Go to the graph editor and make it like this. Now make a keyframe for X position. Move forward. Make it go out of the screen, this time to the left side. Set the graph editor like this. Move to the third video. Previous video moved to the left side, so this video should appear from the right side. Create a keyframe for X position. Move it forward. Now change the value until it goes out of the screen to the right side. Easy ease both of them. Do the graph editor thing. Head back to the timeline. Select both keyframes, open anchor point, and move it until it's at the bottom of the image. Now adjust the position again while both keyframes are selected. Nice. Open rotation and make a keyframe. Move forward. Make it -180 degrees. Select both keyframes and do the graph editor thing. Move to the other video clip. Move its anchor point to the bottom. Open its rotation. Make a keyframe. Put -180 to this. We ended previous clip with -180 degrees. So this will start with -180 and end with -360. Easy ease them and do the same graph editor thing. Alright, I hope you get the idea. Now I'm turning off this voice and we'll get back as I'm done editing all the clips and move to the next steps. Alright, I'm done with the edit. Now search for motion tile effect and drop it to the first clip. Set both of these values to 400. Turn on mirror edges checkbox. Copy motion tile effect from the first clip and paste it to all the clips. Looks good. We don't have black edges around the clips anymore. Right click anywhere below and create a new adjustment layer. Name it as retro. Drag and drop night vision effect to this layer. Copy my settings. Create one more adjustment layer. Name it as color and put it above all the layers. Drag and drop color balance effect to this layer and copy my settings. Head back to the retro layer and make opacity to 6%. Now follow what I'm doing. Or you can do as you like according to the video clips you choose for your edit. Put invert effect to the layer. Looks good to me. Cut the adjustment layers according to your edit. Select all the layers except for the audio, right click and pre-compose them. Make a duplicate of this layer. And move it forward to create a loop. Make one more duplicate and push it forward. Double click any layer. Here enable motion blur. Head back to your main composition. Now play the edit.
Trying to find where your head is, but I'm losing myself in the process. You're bad for my health. All the good nights.
If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share the video. I'll get back with another tutorial. Till then, goodbye.
Trying to find where your head is, but I'm losing myself in the process.